If you've been looking for a better PDF reader or an editor, this video is for you. This is the best PDF reader I've ever seen, which is packed with lots of features. But it is yet simple. In this video I'm gonna show you the best features of it. The name of this app is XODO PDF. The best thing is you can find it in the Windows Store very easily and it's free. There's an Android app also. Search XODO in the Windows Store and install it. It's just a few megabytes. This is the first look of the app. A very simple interface. By clicking Browse, you can add your PDFs or ebooks to the XODO. And if I go back to that menu, you can pin your folders on here. Your ebook folder or your school folder, or whatever to access and open your documents without a hustle. Another special thing is this app opens multiple PDFs in the same window, but in separate tabs. And we can find all the PDFs opened before in the recent documents. Now let's look into the view modes we've been given. One of the most unique features this app has is its night mode. I know these days most of the software is equipped with a night mode, but XODO converts the whole document into a dark theme, even images. If you look at this diagram, it is originally drawn using black color. But when the dark theme is turned on, all those lines are converted to a grayish color very accurately. And there's a sepia mode to cut out blue light, which is comfortable for your eyes if you're working overnight. Also, it is possible to add any custom color. Then there are a few page settings. You can choose single page or double page layouts. And this Reflow mode is another cool feature, which is one of the reasons why this app is not replaceable by any of its other competitors. It converts the document to plain text. It feels like a website article. There are some other features in this pane, like rotating pages and getting thumbnails of all the pages. I'm not going to show you them all as they're common to most of the other PDF readers. Before going further, I'd like to ask you to like the video. It will be a huge support to my channel, and I appreciate you doing that. Okay, another easy thing about this app is this little feature set that appears when some text is highlighted. You can get the highlighted text read to you by the app.
Provide an understanding of drawing templates, part drawings, assembly drawings, details, and annotations.
Isn't that cool? You can keep scrolling while the text is being read and pause or stop it when you want.
Play standard orthographic section.
The highlight feature of this app has options to change the color of it, change the transparency, or simply delete it. You can strike out a text or underline it. It is possible to change their colors and thickness just like highlighting. Also, a text can be linked to a website or to other places in the same PDF. You can simply link the chapters of your study book using this feature. There's a share option also to send the highlighted text to someone directly. What makes this PDF reader also a PDF editor is the edit menu, which comes with so many useful and unique features. You can add these little comments or sticky notes by their words wherever you want on the PDF, and edit their color and shape to categorize them as you wish. And you can add images to the document and resize and place them by clicking here. If you're a person who signs PDFs virtually, then this feature will come in handy. You can sign using a stylus or the mouse and add it onto the PDF. And you can save that signature and reuse it wherever you want. So you don't have to repeat the process again and again. Then the ink feature is like a pen tool. You write anything on the document with different colors and thicknesses thanks to it. Then there are a few shapes and arrows here. You can draw them and erase them using the eraser. If you're working with diagrams or maps, then this measure feature is a life-saving feature. You can give a scale and units to it and draw lines on the PDF to get the real length of them. There are options here to measure perimeter and area also. Another cool thing I like about this app is that it gives a list of all the highlighting and images and writings and all in one place. If we click on them, it navigates us to the page they're placed on. So after all these editings, we can save it for later as an editable PDF. It means you can open the PDF later and edit the changes you've made or add new ones. And if you want, of course, you can export an uneditable flattened PDF also. From here you can remove some pages of the document or rotate them and export a new PDF. And XODO lets you make a blank document, so you can add text, images, and things to that and make a new ebook. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.